Welcome back, YouTubers. Sorry about the mess in the van. I'm telling you now, rubbish is everywhere. But anyway, I had a lot of messages about this Powerwall, what I've been building. Some people requested me to make one. So, I've made one already. I made a 50 amp hour one. But my mate's took that now. He came over, he loved it. He saw what it was doing, and he loved it. So what I'm going to do now, this is a step by step. As you can see, this is quite simple to follow. This is not hard, this is not rocket science. But I haven't seen anyone on YouTube design this, and it's going to be so simple, and you've got to think, why did I buy an acid battery, to be honest? So this is going to be a lithium setup Powerwall. Tesla, obviously I'm not saying it can compare with that. I'm not going to use no BSM and stuff like that, and I'm telling you it's going to be safe, but you're at your own risk, because you've got to add up the batteries and stuff like that. So that's what I'm doing day by day, and this tube at the moment is holding 14.8. So there's 4 batteries in there at 14.8. The batteries look like this, like that. You can get them out of power banks or laptop batteries, but I bought 100 batteries for £88. According to them, 9,800 milliamps per battery. So when I get this all filled up, I don't know if they are going to be 9,800 milliamps, but I know for a fact it's going to be my acid battery. My acid batteries, they're going in the bin. Or if someone wants them, leave a comment below, come and pick them up. I'm from London, take them. They're 110 amp hours. Obviously, they're holding charge now. 12.4 now. Obviously, I've got my heater and that on. And yeah, it's up to you. If you want to take them, but this is about the Powerwall anyway. So, the first steps, I'll give you a few tips. PVC piping. Where's my PVC piping? There you go. 21.5, right guys, but you've got to realise some of these pipes come with insulation inside. Don't get them because the batteries don't fit. If you want to carry on with the one with insulation, you have to cut down, but even some of them without the insulation, you have to still cut down, like I've done here. This is the same pipe apparently to this, 3 meters, £1.42. So I had to cut down. If you want to save time, take a battery with you into a DIY shop and see if it fits like this, and if it does, then you don't have to cut. I wish I had a pipe that fits like that. I went to 5 DIY shops, I couldn't find them anywhere. And the stop ends, they're just normal 22.5 stop ends. That's all they are. And look how tight they are. To get them off, you have to put like a screwdriver or fingernails or whatever to pull them off. But yeah, they're brilliant. So let me show you how I've done the stops. So simple. Stainless steel bolt, and I don't know if you can see that in there. So put the bolt in there and put the screw up the bolt, and that's it. So that is your negative or positive. So simple. So anyway, let me talk a bit about my 50 amp hour one, because obviously I tested it, I ran it for quite a few days, and to be honest, my 50 amp hours was better than my 110 amp hour battery. Do you want me to tell you the reason? The reason is you can run down the 50 amp hour lithium battery all the way down to 0 without no damage in the batteries. And when you put your solar or your windmill or your alternator, it charges it back up sweetly. Don't think this is the finishing project, guys, because obviously I'm going to have meters on here, trip fuses. This is why I'm doing a video day by day. So it looks so simple there, so you can follow this, and it'll cost you a couple of pennies. As I said, the batteries, £88 gets you 100 batteries, so that's a bargain, So this is going to be video 1, and I will do an update day by day. Every time I add something to this system, I will do a video, show you the progress and stuff like that, because I'm trying to make this system better than my 50 amp system. My 50 amp system, I daisy chained from negative to negative to negative and positive to positive, and I had one fuse. But the only thing is, it never tripped. But if one of those things trip, that means the whole system's down. So what I'm going to do on this one, I'm going to fuse individual. So every tube is 14.8, 14.8, 14.8, 14.8, and I'm going to fuse every single 14.8 tube. I will tell you about the alternator, the inverter and stuff like that. So keep up to date, and I will show you how to run an inverter on this safely. The charging of your solar, because obviously remember you've got a 12.6 battery. You technically most probably do have a 12.6 battery. This is going to be a 14.8. So I would explain in other videos why I've done a 14.8 system and stuff like that without a BSN. If I have any issues, I will let you know, through the video and how to solve that issue. Because obviously this is still working on project. But I know it's going to work fine because I never had no issue with my 50M. So and obviously my mate's still using it and he has no issue and he's loving it. Trust me, he's actually loving it. He's going to add on more on this now. I might even do a meet up with him and record his setup as well, because his van is got mad shit in it as well, like the stuff what he's running in that van off that 50 amp hours. You can't believe it. His fridge stays on all night and without bleeping or anything. Some fridges beep, don't it, if it goes under low power and stuff like that. His doesn't. Not with that 50 amp hour thing. It runs it all the way down and then he's good in the morning. And I'm going to keep a separate system and that's it. So guys, hopefully you enjoy and like and subscribe, and I'll keep you updated on the wall. Obviously this is going to be a big project. It's not going to be expensive, it's going to be cheap to do, a couple of £100 I would say. For example, as I said, 15 quid for all this plastic, £88 for the battery, meters, trip fuses, and that's about it. And obviously if you want to add more stuff to it, more monitoring system, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, that's down to you, but you can stop at just the battery bit, you know what I mean? And yeah, I'll keep you updated guys, so hopefully you enjoy, like and subscribe. And Hobbies and Gadgets is now signing out and having a glass of whiskey and thinking about the next project. Peace.